there, garden enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered why some plants just seem to thrive when they're next to certain others? Or maybe you've heard about the magic of companion planting but aren't quite sure how to get started? Well, today's your lucky day! In this video, I'm going to reveal the secrets of companion planting that can transform your garden into a flourishing paradise. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pair up your plants for maximum growth, health, and flavor. What is companion planting? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is companion planting? Simply put, companion planting is the practice of growing different plants close together for mutual benefits. Some plants help each other grow better while others may protect each other from pests. It's like having a best friend in the garden. Benefits of companion planting. Now, why should you care about companion planting? Well, the benefits are numerous. Natural pest control. Certain plants, like marigolds, can repel pests that would otherwise munch on your veggies. Planting them alongside your tomatoes, for instance, can help keep those pesky bugs away. Improved growth. Some plants, like beans, actually enrich the soil with nutrients like nitrogen. If you plant them next to heavy feeders like corn, you'll notice better growth without needing extra fertilizer. Better flavors. Believe it or not, some plant pairings can even enhance the flavors of your fruits and vegetables. For example, basil and tomatoes not only taste great together on your plate, but also in the garden. Space efficiency. By carefully planning your garden layout, you can make the most of your space. Taller plants can provide shade for those that prefer a bit less sun, creating a microenvironment where everyone thrives. Tips for successful companion planting? Okay, so how do you get started? Here are some easy tips to set you on the path to companion planting success. Use a companion planting chart. A chart is your best friend here. It tells you which plants work well together and which ones should stay far apart. I'll link one in the description below, but a few classic combos include carrots with onions and beans with corn. Start small. If you're new to this, don't feel overwhelmed. Start with a couple of pairings and observe how they interact. You'll learn a lot by simply watching your garden. Consider planting time. Some plants mature faster than others. Make sure to pair plants that have similar growth rates or plan for staggered harvesting. Rotate crops. Avoid planting the same companions in the same spot every year. Rotating them helps prevent soil depletion and keeps pests at bay. Keep it diverse. Don't just stick to one or two types of plants. The more diverse your garden, the more resilient it will be against pests and diseases. How to choose companion plants? Choosing the right companion plants is crucial, and it doesn't have to be complicated. Here's how to do it. Identify your main crops. Start by deciding what your main plants will be. Are you growing a vegetable garden? Or maybe a flower bed? Your main crops will guide your companion choices. Match with companions. Once you know your main crops, research or refer to your chart to find the best companions. For example, tomatoes pair wonderfully with basil, onions, and carrots. Think about plant functions. Consider what you want your companions to do. Do you need pest control, improved growth, or soil health? Pick plants that meet those needs. Trial and error. Sometimes it's about experimenting. Not every combination will work perfectly in every garden. Don't be afraid to tweak your pairings season by season until you find what works best for your garden. And there you have it. Companion planting can seem like a mystery at first, but with these tips and a little practice, you'll soon see the amazing benefits in your garden. So why not give it a try? Start planning your garden with some companion plant pairings and watch your plants grow stronger, healthier, and more productive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share it with a fellow gardener. Let's grow together. Happy planting, everyone! See you in the next video!